So today I'm going to be doing a video on cleaning this Bentley wheel. This particular car is a maintenance client of mine. He gets his cars done about every 1 to 2 weeks. So this will be a nice, easy, clean wheel. But as you can see from there, the wheel is dirty in all places. So what we're going to do first of all is get some wheel cleaner, spray it on and leave it for a minute. Now this particular wheel cleaner that I'm using is a non-acidic based wheel cleaner. So it's great. It won't cause no damage to obviously gloss black wheels, etc. It's a great cleaner as well. Spray some on the tyre as well as the wheel. Give that a minute to work its way in, break down the dirt, and then we'll give it a rinse off. So we don't really want to be, I've seen where people will actually clean wheels when there's dirt still in them. That is defeating the object, especially on gloss black wheels such as these. You're going to cause some light swirling, some light scratching, potential damage to the wheels like this. So I'll go and get my jet wash, pressure washer, rinse that down, and we'll continue on deep cleaning this wheel. Get our short trigger going. We'll give it a rinse down. So now I'm satisfied that a lot of the dirt's now gone from the wheel. There's still obviously some behind the spokes, etc. in some places. We'll continue on with the wheel cleaning process. Get our bucket. Now I like to apply snow foam to the wheels as an extra lubricant. So spray some of this on. Two different types of wheel brushes here. Got the EZ detail one, nice and bristly, cleaning deep in the barrels, and also a Wheel Willies one, which is nice and soft. Again, both can be used for cleaning the barrels. It's preference really, but you'll find obviously that's got a thicker head. Sometimes it'll struggle in places like the caliper behind the calipers. We have the EZ detail one, which is flexible. You can work right behind there. Now you'll notice that this is a process. It's not a rushed process, but it will give the best possible finish and have the nice clean wheels as our clients enjoy. Get a soft bristle brush, as so, nice hog air one. Give those calipers as well a clean up too. Because what's the point of doing the wheels if you have dirty calipers? Get the same brush on the nuts. Cleaning on them so there's no dirt in those areas. And we'll see there's got a ridge in this wheel. It's the same brush, dipped it in with shampoo. Just work in that ridged area right there. I then get a wheel mitt as so. See with this one, needled on one side, microfiber the other, and a thumb area too. And I work behind the spokes, ensuring that they're nice and clean. If you can fit your hand more into the barrel, then great. Just give it a once more over. Paying particular attention to cleaning the spokes, and as I said, behind them so they've got a nice clean finish. Now, wheel nice and clean behind all areas. I want to give the tyre a clean down too. Not too bad, as I said, this one's a maintenance one. But the reason I do this is so we'll allow our tyre dressings stick better and last longer. Tyre brush as well, nice, firm, bristle brush, with a nice scrub. Now that's done, rinse it down. Also as well, you may notice I'm not done under the arches, but this is just a wheel demonstration one. When I've cleaned the wheels, usually all the four corners I go around, do under arches at the same time too. But we'll just show you how we get the wheel clean today. Nice and clean. Squeak it, lead, wheels, behind spoke, brake calipers too, all nice and clean. Now you'll see the water's not really reacting much with air, so what I like to do is apply a sealant. On this case, I'm going to apply a nice quick detailer spray. There's a ceramic base in it. What's it now not sticking? And what we do, 4 more corners to do. We then dry it off, etc. When the little car's washed, have a nice, clean, fresh wheel in all areas, even the parts that you can't see. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, give me a thumbs up, a like and a share, and give me a comment as well if discuss the processes that you want to do or use, or you want to see me do any more type videos like this. Some ideas would be great. Have a great weekend, people. Take care. See you all in a bit.